Something that has broken my heart over the past couple of days is children coming to me and saying things like, oh, the first thing I will do when there's a ceasefire, I will go home with Papa and Mama, and then I'll go to my bedroom, and at last I'll be able to sleep in my own bed again. Or I'm going to look for the toys that I've had to leave behind when we fled. It's heartbreaking because when I drive through Gaza, just the sheer scale of destruction, I'm very fearful that there's not much left of the homes of these people. The incredible trauma that children here have witnessed, they have been stuck in this permanent cycle of exposure to relentless violence. And they've witnessed things that no child should ever witness. But it also comes with the realization that nowhere is safe in Gaza. These children, they've had very toxic stress and anxiety throughout the war. They were acutely aware that their lives were in danger. They would talk to me about fearing for their lives, about the loved ones they had lost. So they need mental health and psychosocial support, and they need the restoration of their daily routine, of some form of normalcy, because they've also been out of school for 1.5 years. And schools aren't just places for learning, they're also places for socialization and social development. So it's important that will be restarted too.